जय गुरुदेव। एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि। Sit in Vajrasana, Drona Mudra, deep inhalation and exhalation. Concentrate on your breathing. Concentrate on your breathing. Concentrate on your stomach. Concentrate on your internal organs functions. Concentrate functions of internal organs: liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, big intestine. Concentrate on your respiratory system. Observe fluctuations of breathing. Concentrate on your heart, functions of heartbeat and blood circulations. Now you concentrate on your thyroid and parathyroid glands. Concentrate on your brain and nervous system, functions of brain and nervous system. Deep inhalation and exhalation. Now you concentrate on your whole body. Now you will take your mind outside the atmosphere. Observe the cool breeze. You feel that cool breeze. Feel the voice of the birds. Hear the voice of the birds. Hear the different noise of the vehicles and the other sounds of around you. Now you concentrate outside sounds and inside functions. Namaskara Sthiti, Omkara and Shanti Mantra chanting. सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनो मदितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Bend forward.
Say namaste to your parents and Sri Patanjali Maharshi for taught us a yoga, and pranama to all teachers.
We'll come to slowly come up. Rub your hands. Place you on your face. Watch your palm. Jai Gurudev. Udara Shwasa. Place your hands forward. Concentrate on your abdomen muscles. Deep inhalation and exhalation 2 times. Udara Shwasa. Concentrate on your chest. Deep inhalation and exhalation 2 times. Now you concentrate. Viva Shwasa. Concentrate on your neck. Deep inhalation and exhalation 2 times. Purna Shwasa. Breathe in, breathe out 2 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands sideways. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Palms upward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hands outside. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep hands straight near the chest. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Hands downward. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. 90-degree angle. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Chest level. Breathe in. Take both hands forward. Adho Mukha Vajrasana. Come to Shadangam position. Marjala Shwasa. Cat breathing. Breathe in,
Breathe out.
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 breathe in.
Breathe out. Relax.
Sit in Vajrasana. Dark breathing. Put your tongue outside the mouth as much as possible. Breathe from your stomach. Start. It helps to put out the bad odor from your stomach and also helps to relax your body. Kati Shwas. Kati Shwas. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Change your hands back. Breathe out. Breathe in. Change your hands back. Breathe out. Both hands up. Stand on your knees. Keep your right leg forward. And stand up. Relax. Now we will start with Super Brain Yoga. Before that, yoga work. Both hands up. Walk on your toes. Again back. Walk on your heels. Again back. Walk on your outside foot. Again back walk. Inside foot. Again back. Relax. When you do yoga work, it helps to pressure on your feet. The internal organs are connected to the nervous system. Internal organs are connected to the feet and palms. When you press those particular parts, internal organs will be activated. Then it helps also helpful to function properly. Liver, heart, kidney, all our nervous system and connected to the palms and feet. That is called also pressure also called as a acupressure treatment. Now we'll start with Super Brain Yoga. Namaskara Sthiti. Mantra chanting. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Take your left hand. Hold your right earlobe. Face your thumb friend. Take your right hand. Hold your left earlobe. Your thumb should face front. Kechari Mudra. Twist your tongue back. Hold till end of Super Brain Yoga. For adults 21 times you have to repeat. For below 7 years children 7 only. Above 7 below 14 Super Brain Yoga only. When you are sitting, you have to breathe in. When you are getting up, you have to breathe out. Simple technique, but maximum benefit. It helps to improve your concentration, memory power, and activeness. And also it helps to improve your alpha waves. Kechari Mudra position. Twist your tongue back. Hold it at near palate. Start. Relax. Close your eyes. Relax. Relax your body from tail, bottom to top. Now warming up exercise are Kriyatmaka Hasan. Okay, ready? Ankle joint activation, warming up. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Knee joint activation, warming up. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg forward, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe. Left leg. Right leg side. Left leg side. Right leg back. Left leg back. Now hip joint warming up. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg. Right leg side. Left leg side. Right leg back. Left leg back. Now trunk bending, back and forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Both hands up. Lock your hands. Breathe in, breathe out your right side. Now you turn your palms, lock your hands back. Change. Start. Relax. Skanda Chalan Prakara 1. Kupura Sandhi, Shalana, elbow joints exercise. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe. Hands down, palms down. Now wrist joint exercise. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe. Now sideways. Relax. Now slowly tight your fingers on the whole body. Take breath in. Keep tightening your muscles and fingers. Breathe out. Again breathe in. Relax your body. Again back. Take your breath and keep tightening your body and fingers. Breathe out. Keep holding tight. Again breathe in. Slowly breathe out and relax your muscles and body. Now rotation. Ankle joint rotation. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe. Reverse. Left leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Both hands. Knee joint exercise. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now hip joint rotation. Start. Puraka Rechaka. Forward, side, back, front. Again left leg. breathe in, breathe out. Forward, side and back and join. Again from back to front, right leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, left leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Trunk rotation. Keep your both hands sideways like holding wall. Keep your stride. Only trunk rotation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, shoulder joint rotation. Type 1. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Breathe in, breathe out. Type 2. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Type 3. Shoulder rotation. Reverse. Corpus elbow joint rotation. Reverse. Palms down. Opposite direction. Reverse. Okay, wrist rotation. Reverse. Trunk back faced. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now shake your fingers. Shake well. Relax. Now just you feel vibration on your fingers. Sthiti. Again. Hold your left three fingers from your right hand. Shoulder warming up again. Start. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Rotation, forward rotation. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reverse. Again, lock your fingers back like this. Again, keep your shoulders straight. Keep your neck straight. Neck up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now sideways. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe. Now sideways. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now sideways roll. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now rotation from right side. Breathe in, breathe out. Puraka, Rechaka, Puraka, reverse. Puraka, Rechaka, Puraka, Rechaka. Now eyeball exercise. Up and down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now left, center, right eyeball. Left, center, right. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now diagonal position. left corner up, center, right corner down. Start. Now, right corner up, right corner down, left corner down. Now, eyeball rotation. Reverse. Now, just massage your eyeball with your center finger slowly. Massage from right side, again reverse. Slowly. Now, rotate your eyeball from opposite direction. Start. Again, massage your eyeball. Relax. Now we will start on the spot. Running. Ladies, you have to put in Hadi Mudra, you have to keep your chest. Only leg action you have to do. Gents can do hands and legs. Okay, ready? Start. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Type 2. Type 3, hands and legs sideways. Type 4. Relax. Now take deep inhalation. Now breathe out from your mouth slowly. Now Prasarita Padottasana Chalane. Start. Breathe in.
Breathe out.
Now Trikavana Sanchalan. Parshva Chalan. Sure. Now hand, your palm face upside. Up. Now your palm outside. Now palm inside, facing each other, both hands. Now Trikonasana Chalan. In between you can give rest if you are feeling tired, or you can start directly. Parivrata Trikonasana Chalan. Exhale and come back. Now we can go for Shavasana or Amritasana. Ekam, Dve, Pavana Muktasana. Now take breathe in and breathe out. Turn right side. Again breathe in, breathe out from left side. Breathe in,
breathe out,
breathe in.
breathe out.
Now here, Ekapada Muktasana.
Left leg,
Both the legs.
Dipadapana Muktasana.
Relax. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your ankle joints and feet. Relax your shin bone and calf muscles. Two times or three times long. Breathe, concentrate on a particular part and relax your shin bone and calf muscle. Relax your knee joint. Deep inhalation. Relax. Relax your thigh muscles. Relax your abdominal muscles. Relax your stomach, internal organs, liver, pancreas, kidney, small intestine, big intestine, gallbladder. Relax your chest and respiratory system. Relax your cardiac muscles. Relax your neck, bones and muscles. Relax your shoulder joints and hands, arms. Relax your backbone and muscles. Relax your face. Relax your brain and nervous system. Relax your whole body. Take your right hand back. Keep your left hand on your chest. Hold your left leg. Turn right side. Sleep like a baby. 5 minutes. Deep inhalation, exhalation. Relax. 5 minutes. Again, turn your right side. Sleep like a baby. 5 minutes. These two asanas helps to improve your oxygen saturation. Again, come to Makarasa position. This is 10 minutes. This is also very important. This helps for diaphragm breathing. Definitely, it improves your oxygen saturation, oxygen level. Definitely, you can check it. The research has proven. Come to Adho Mukha Vajrasana, Shashankasana. Again, Namaskara Sthiti, Yoga Mantra and Jyoti Mantra. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidyakenam Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi Abahu Purushakaram Shinkachakrahasidarinam Sahasra Shirasam Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma